Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fun Steps Academy. Today, we will talk about why do rivers never stop flowing? Have you ever stood next to a river and wondered, why doesn't it ever run out of water? Day after day, year after year, the river keeps flowing, even when nobody is pouring water into it. So where does all that water come from? And why don't rivers eventually become empty? Today, we're uncovering one of nature's greatest mysteries. Why do rivers never stop flowing? Let's follow a drop of water on an incredible journey. What is a river? A river is a natural stream of flowing water. Most rivers begin in mountains, melting snow, and rainy areas. The water flows downhill because of gravity. Just like a ball rolls down a hill, water naturally moves from higher places to lower places. As it travels, smaller streams join together. These smaller streams are called tributaries. Many tributaries combine to form larger rivers. Eventually, most rivers flow into oceans, lakes, or larger rivers. Where does the water come from? This is the big question. Why doesn't the river run dry? The answer is the water cycle. Earth has a giant recycling system for water. Here's how it works. The sun heats oceans, lakes, and rivers. Water evaporates into the air. It forms clouds. Rain falls back to Earth. The rainwater flows into rivers, and the cycle begins again. Because this cycle never stops, many rivers keep flowing too. The hidden water underground. But rain isn't the only source of river water. Some water comes from underground. When rain falls, part of it soaks into the soil. This underground water stores collect in spaces beneath the Earth's surface. These underground water stores are called aquifers. Slowly, groundwater seeps into rivers. Even during dry periods, groundwater can continue feeding rivers. So some rivers receive water from rain, snowmelt, and underground sources, all at the same time. Why some rivers flow faster than others? Not all rivers move at the same speed. Mountain rivers are often fast, rough, and full of rapids. Why? Because the land is steep. Gravity pulls the water downward quickly. Rivers in flatter areas are usually slower, wider, and calmer. The shape of the land affects how fast a river flows. Can rivers ever stop flowing? Some rivers can slow down or even dry up temporarily. This can happen because of droughts, climate change, heavy water use, and changes in the environment. However, many major rivers continue to flow because they receive water from many different sources. As long as the water cycle continues, most rivers will continue flowing too. Why rivers are important? Rivers are incredibly important. They provide drinking water, water for farming, homes for animals, transportation routes, and hydroelectric power. Many cities around the world were built near rivers because rivers support life. Without rivers, life would be much more difficult. Before we move on, let's have a mini MCQ quiz. 1. What force helps rivers flow downhill? A. Magnetism. B. Gravity. C. Electricity. Answer: B. Gravity. 2. What process turns water into vapor? A. Freezing. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. Answer: B. Evaporation. 3. What are smaller streams that join a river called? A. Tributaries. B. Islands. C. Deltas. Answer A. Tributaries. 4. What underground water storage areas help feed rivers? A. Volcanoes. B. Aquifers. C. Caves. Answer B. Aquifers. 5. Why do many rivers keep flowing year after year? A. The water cycle continuously refills them. B. People refill them. C. Fish create water. Answer A. The water cycle continuously refills them. Finally, it's time for the fun fact of the video. Did you know the longest river in the world is often considered the Nile River? It stretches for more than 6,600 kilometers. That's farther than traveling across many countries. And some river water molecules have been part of the water cycle for thousands of years before reaching the ocean again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down your video requests. See you in the next one.